To be honest, yenziwa like corruption. I guess $1 is equal to 18 rands or 17 rands something. Manje if equal to because bathi kahle $1 kumele ngabe the way la South African imali ngakhona izinto kumele ngabe zi-cheap ngakhona. $1 kumele ngabe u-7 rand. So izinto ey'ningi ngabe zi-cheap. Yes, ngabe u-230. Izinto ngabe zi-cheap.
Ungamaphose manje wenza ngemali.
Angisho bayayidla la South Africa. Phela South Africa imali itho iningi kabi. Bathi kahle kahle kumele $1 is equal to 7 rands, not 17. So ingabe ku-cheap izinto ngabe inga-1K, inga-1.7 ama-NSFAS angithenga into ey'ningi.
Uluyanda manje sa-invite abantu musi. Uluyanda musi mina nginabantu.
Awunabantu.
Ufuna ukungibubuza.
Kuyasidlala yawo. Usabani?
Mina nginabantu abangisanela ama-gift.
Awunabantu. Bakhomba ibele.
Kanti lezi nje sizwakalaphi?
Mina ngicela ukuthi mangishadana ngingihambise
uRita.
Bethe mangishadana i-South Africa yakho ngingihambise.
Awu bakhomba ibe eRita bakhomba ibele bagift yawo.
Uyahlanya kanti sube mntango.
Yeah.
Hi Rita.
Hello.
How are you?
Asidlaleli kodwa ngizodliwa obvious.
Sidlalani?
How awazi wena Luyanda bazokusendela ebakho hlezi ulive always.
Anginalutho mina nginawave nje wakithwaranga wena.
Mntwana I'm going to see the physio now ne. Fitlo kyatsa.
Athi ngishaya uRita ngasabi.
So ntwana
Okay, let's go, let's play.
Ngingana kimi umuntu ongifta ngayi-1 uyahamba boy.
Sure.
Ufuna ukugifta before ahamba. Let's play game.
Mara umthori wave musi.
Ababanyane bayi-5. Let's go guys.
Mina ngina-2 bantu cabanga I have 2 people.
Buka wena sebakutypele already mina they haven't.
Sorry. Bakamthepeni nami yabo bathulile.
Guys, please tap the screen, send gifts.
Share the live please. Buke?
Yeah.
Buke?
Yes, let's go. Ngeke sidlwe lo muntu. Thank you Thando. Let's go guys. Angitsamayeng. Let's go like the live.
Let's give him a bit 2 times.
Yeah, press on the gift guys, get 2 times. Next time, ha!
Let's give that is 2 times.
Like even flower A1, guys. Thank you, Smash.
Abo smash bathanda abafana buke sokungalini.
Ufuna agifte wena. Usile.
Abo smash bathanda abafana straight.
No, baya tepa. Hey lethu.
Abathepi next. Abona senginasiphi.
Baya tepa ngisho ngiyakutshela.
Weak.
Bayantephela sodwa.
Very weak officer. Very weak.
Anyway na bewinile musibodlala nobani?
Mina. Angiyashayana vele nawo musi ngisatokushaya guys 1 rose guys to activate the speed.
Smash ngicela ube standby. Are you guys dating? No, we are not dating. We're just friends. How guys?
1 rose to activate the speed. 1 rose. It's a piece of
1 rose.
1.
Nami ngishota ngerose eli-1. Thank you, Dorata. Yay! You look boyfriend and girlfriend. No, guys, we're not dating. Guys, we're just friends. You look boyfriend and girlfriend.
Ukuthi kanti ngibani ukuzala amasimba.
Balokho bakukhuluma izinto. T-Mesh, who's T-Mesh?
T-Mesh.
TP, ki TP. Wena TP utloswaba.
TP na, TP uyanya.
Friends at corners. No, friends every day. Thank you, Smash. Thank you, Smash Matangu. Let's go. Thank you, Smash.
Spade like
I'm winning this. Huh?
Are you beating me like this? I'm umuntu phela ngicabanga.
Abantu
Dankie Dion, dankie.
uThiphu usenza so. Thiphu ungamwinisi uLuyanda please. Unganyenzi kanjalo.
Tipi bafethu.
Smash, thank you Smash. Thank you. Juna ngicela ungibless Shem.
Bafethu Drupal lento leya le serious bafethu. Na imbili.
Thiphu usukudelela uSmash wena.
Imbili drop iGalaxy man. Imbili drop into le serious.
Mahala ngapha. Nika labafana ikhekhe labo. Yeah, thank you Jawata.
Bafethu Drupal into serious. Dankie bafethu. Dankie Mafava for tapping the screen.
Thank you Jawata and Smash and Funalemang. Thank you Jawata, Smash and Miss P. Yes.
Dankie Smash. Dankie boy.
Alright. Sa. Nomntana kuyandrivela. Uthi ha, I'm not gifting anyone. You both are my friends. Junior ufeki lebo friends bo. Send it now, Send it now. Malcolm, thank you, Malcolm. Thank you. Thank you, Malcolm.
Guys, tap the screen, bafethu. Yabo lo muntu uyangihlambalaza bafethu. Uyangihlambalaza bafethu. Bafethu une reputation.
Utlekamo, yes.
Bafethu Drupal into le serious bafethu.
Guys, utlo sniper kuphela libe ready ke kuphela.
There's no sniper here, son.
Ngakhuithi wena ubiyawu. Sendang. Ngicela guys, cela nisendeni.
Singahathi. Bafethu. Enzani bafethu? Hayi phelile.
Hayi, ithi ngizavele ngancane.
Osebajayivela ngoba bangidlile.
Hayi.
Soyabaseduza nyalo.
Hey.
Awubona ufuna namagini. Bafethu tap the screen bafethu ngoba vele ngathi ukuthi.
Thank you. Let's go. Thank you, Jawata.
Wena lethi umuntu ukubheka leka once niyasenda ama gift nini. Abantu.
Aye.
Emava tap screen man.
Guys, no one to give me now.
I can finally MVP.
Thank you, Jawata.
Okufuna ngisukume kuze kuthi lo tamtambe kahle. Ifaka road ngi1 lapha.
Nothing is called TikTok. Refer unit number to join, guys. Never. You need number.
Why, man?
You can join now. Kwena mang.
When yeah, vele kwena. Thank you, Kyogata.
Ngikuma ngiyaphi mina?
Thank you, Kyogata. Thank you, Kyogata.
It is all I can ngoba already like.
Times 2, Kyogata times 2, wabona.
Only Tsukuma boy angihlali.
Thank you, DK Fao. Thank you, DK Fao. Thank you, Kyogata. Thank you, Smash. Yes, guys. We are not give up on faith.
Give up mina. Ngisafonela MVP yami.
Uyaroba wena mina ngafonela umuntu. Uyaroba. You are cheating. That's called cheating. You are not being fair.
Wena.
You are not being fair.
Hello, Luyanda.
Hello, Nomthandazo.
We must play this game fair. You are not being fair.
But I'm calling my MVP.
Never.
I'm losing like this.
Never. Guys, relax and let's send them sniping. 5 seconds. Banayo, 5 seconds ni sniping. Ufuna ukusniper.
Abana next.
Umtshengise Kyogata no Smash no DK ukuthi ni nawo. Unithathela phansi.
Abana next labantu la.
Okay, sizobona.
Abana next.
Yo, Luyanda uyamazi lo muntu osemuva kwakho. Yo, hayi.
Sipina show nalokho anisnipe. Nalokho bakusaba na ke. Come
on guys, send gifts. We're gonna win this match.
Nalokho abakusnipe now.
We're gonna win this match. You are cheating. You're not playing fair. You're not being fair.
You are not being fair.
I must win this game.
What?
I must win.
And two million serious.
Guys, yebo. Yes, thank you, Kyogata. Thank you. Times 2. Thank you, Kyogata Mudise. Thank you, my MVP. Kyogata Mudise. You want again?
Yes.
I'll super one. Uyadliwa Shem Luyanda. I'll soup.
On his favorite.
I didn't say that. Ubani lo semuva kwakho?
Musta Pro.
Mazela phi lo mfana osemuva kwakho?
Kimfana kazi. Yini ngamfuna?
I have a man, guys. Come on.
Yabo ni business ya gift lo muntu nabo men bakhe ni business yam gift ani.
I'm joking. Hayi Luyanda uyabona manje so uyabona. Uyabona manje Luyanda uzonya fast mfana wami. Wena TP unjikelile uyebafaneni uthanda abafana. Guys we are guys uyasika lona.
Ebafethu ningamgift limvile uthi unendoda.
Guys ngiyangicela.
Ebafethu ningamgift lo muntu unendoda. Yamthola. Akafuna indoda yakhe. Asidala.
Fakani lapho smash.
Fakani lapho bafethu. Fakani lapho. Thank you Thando.
Guys, we are losing. We cannot lose. Guys,
Thula man.
you can't.
Ukhuluma mafika kuthweni yalo yambuka
Luyanda uyathakatha uthatha abantu bami.
Activate the speech. Ukhuluma kakhulu ngephula emfaki.
Thank you Kyogata.
Ebafethu nisamgifta lo muntu anendoda.
Thank you. Thank you Kyogata.
gifting bafethu. Drop that what yakhona. Drop that what yakhona. Drop that
Guys,
what.
ngicela nisizeni ukuyogada nisende nama-gift ngiyacela ngicela nimsizeni ngicela nimsizeni ngiyacela uSmash sonjikelile wena Smash
Unendoda wena
uyiqoki wena Smash
Asiyiqoki unendoda wena
uyibekephi
Tell indoda yakhe yasebenza
thank you Kyogata
indoda yakhe yasebenza
wena Smash uyiqoki
unendoda
after 9 Smash kill after 9 why I gift abasimani vele mela ngigift indoda engenaphi wena awunawo umfazi unawa ngisho uyarobha wena Luyanda utshontsha abantu bami hayi wena ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe
wena Mthabile ukhuluma kakhulu awuna power man
ha ngiwine gas 2
yini gas 2 manje
ngiwine gas 2 wena
ufuna ukufundisa ilanguage khona nakulelayo
ungifundisa ilanguage ayiphi
yini kuwina gas 2 wena yini kuwina gas 2 yini gas 2
gas 2
yini manje ne
gas 2
guys tap the screen ningasa gift nomuntu lo week limit
i-week just because uSmash ukhona say i-week
week limit man usalingwana nje
mang phela wena uba live everyday uzijwayele lezinto mina ngijwayela
why you explain manje
uzowulale kuzo wena ulala la wenzila lavuka
do not explain
wenzila lavuka
usalingwana nje usuku nemini
wenzila lavuka
usalingwana nje bafethu dropani no kambathini into ekugcina idonut yokugcina avale lo mlomo wakhe lo ulibapho ya into mayenza ukuthi ulungise umlomo kuphela ubindi vale la uthi
guys ngicela nisendeleni hle thank you
bonela indoda yakho
Kota or ke bang I don't know whoever
bonela indoda yakho lapha ekucela ucela
wena uzophuma kimi angazi wangipha yona indoda uzophuma kimi nje uzophuma angisho nawe unomfazi wena Smash uSmash ithi ngimcheke angisamconsider as umuntu ogimi nyo ibilo yafollow nyomblock kuma follower abangasaboni content yami ngisho unjikelile nami ngiyamjikela and buka manje ngiyaluza hayi
nawe ukhuluma kakhulu
Uncle
salingwana nje ubulela thatha nje
hamba Luyanda hamba
uthe mama power ups are weak now man uthe mama power ups nyana laba nginika wona are weak uyabuyela uyawuthina wena awuthina noma ungathweka abananzaba sinebafati
anyeke
noma ungathweka sinanzaba nekuthweka kakho sinebafati thina noma ungathweka
fuck you
yawena noma ungathweka la noma ungagcobisa lo mlomo abananzaba nawe unendoda wena
ngithathaphi
utshele ngokuthi nendoda ke
manje if I do have a nigga so
ungakhali phela why you crying
cause uthi bayanjikela cause mina I do have a nigga
ungakhali phela kunjalo vele empilweni
mina nje
nemathep sekayahlula
oya
sofulo namathep phela nomthandaza athule ngalapho akuthebhele phela nomthandaza akuzama akuthebhele ngalapho
unomthandaza ayenzeni
awunafawo
le match i-week
lo week
le match i-week le angisadlali
ubathe uyajiva uyathweka abanandaba nawe
bengijiva wena usmash. Wena uthatha usmash umthathile.
One rose bafethu nivale nomlomo lo muntu lo. One rose. Yabona nawe ba useful man 5 rose.
Wena uyaphapha yazi, uyaphapha.
So boy, so number 11, gift number 11. Awuna wave uju.
Wena TP unjikelile nawe.
Erita. Awuna wave. Lapho relax, uqala time 15 phakela maro. Relax.
Okusayo nyukudleka 2.
Nami ngiyakuphinza manje.
Mina ngiyukudleka 2.
Nami ngokudla ka 2.
2.
Me too one. It's 2. Besi. Hey.
Ngiyukudla times 2.
Awuna power man. Rita.
Okusalayo.
Awuna smoke uju.
Okusalayo.
Unazo uju. Yeah, seyiqale 2 times.
Uyabona wenzeni Luyanda? Ngiyofuna udlala noJuna bese ngithatha wonke ama gift wami abangiftile ngiwaphe uJuna akudleni. Uzobona.
2 times gifting now. Let's beat. Angazi ngizombiza ngani kodwa umuntu akanathi.
I never.
Angazi ngizombiza ngani kodwa.
Luyanda mina ngifuna ukwenza iTikTok musu.
2 times gifting bafethu. Ufuna wenzani?
iTikTok.
2 times gifting bafethu. Drop that donut bafethu to finish the game. Drop that one donut and finish the game. Because there's no smoke here. This one he's a good dancer, not a game. He's a good dancer. You are a good dancer.
Who's a good dancer?
You are a good dancer.
I don't know how to dance me. Now I'm enjoying.
Trying to. We are trying. We are trying.
Huh?
We are trying.
Bakhona ama dancer mina ngisiyo.
Umzimba yini ikhofi ne. We are trying.
Owami uwi. Zimincile.
Umzimba iRooibos lapha.
Ucute yazi. Ngikwatele TP angisho wena uhambile wayogift Luyanda ngikwatele. Should I send the line? Please Kunze. Please.
TP kimfana.
Please. I'm begging. Please. I love you more.
Senda kubili. Uthi khona ukufakela i-lion.
How? Uthi emoji lo ungasudlala la. How? Asidlali la, asidlali.
And how weak man. So uhluleke kufika na 15.
Awucavi indoda yami. Yo angazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthini TP ngikhaza.
Send one rose anele. Bafethu one rose bafethu. Abuko lo muntu udlala i-draw. Ezidlala i-draw nabantu abawini.
Ulimele. Bye.
Siyabaleka.
Yebo.
Ukathe.
Thank you guys for sending roses. Ngiyahamba manje. Ngizobuya ngibone. Ungafayile baba uyabuya la. Azomkhulufana baba uyabuya la. Uzosazala? Sizile bonga. Lei, eu vi que você não sabe que você não viu se drogue. So guys, zobuya nginibona. Kuyashisa yo. Guys, look at my hair. Ningahleki. Manje masibela kusethu ke sekitchen. Sibela kusethu kumkhona na. Namhlanje.
Ngifuna ngiyanya. Ngizofaka ingoma ke.
Sekitchen.
Yeah. Noma ngafaka ingoma, but ekhishi sizona manje. Yeah, mase ngibekini.
Mangilimele wena mari. Guys, kinkalina.
Uzizwa kanjani sengiyele?
Uzizwa kanjani mina sengonakele. Sengilimele, ngingalidele.
Abengane. Mina ngisazi sengisemnyama. Yo, nanile ngoma le. Esani ngoma.
Kina MC.
Everybody But you get in the middle, easy.
Ayoyo. Ayoyo. Pepa. Kina MC, ki dancer yak. Kina opera, ki dancer, ki back up dancer. Beba, no muka baby, utai sanoko. Ay, Pepa. Ay, yebo. Ay, ewa naman. Yes, ay, yebo. No muka baby. No guys, kapatid sa difference. Ay,
Hello, boy.
Puta ba na yan, no? Ay, tara! Love. Gusto labo nila. Ay, nababo na guys. Beba. Ay, come on. Ay!
Pepa, pasiyan tayo. Balik kaya siya.
Yes!
Wait. Ang isang isa pa na i-living. Gumagod ka na dito na. Ang Kilimanjaro. Iba lang kasi na yan. Sorry, that's baliw.
play matches anymore. I'm okay. Uyathanda ku-Facebook. Ngicela uthule sithe. Can you please keep quiet? Umpla go ge o re wa bina yo ha ke itse ke wena ke a sokola for sure. It's that time.
It's that time. You're right. I wasn't keeping on my text, man.
Ha abantu ama-passenger prices ku 15 seater.
Kanti laba nemali bethathapi guys, your eyes.
Imali ye-AFP. Guys, you know what happened, ne? Badly imali zethu ze-AFP nyadla. I'm joking, guys. Badly yakhe. Mina I'm okay with my costume. Thumile ngoma yakho musu uyayithanda le? Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Bonebe kuluma Tanze ngiphethe ehlizweni ngeyakho me baby. I'm not your baby. Join futhi umuntu wakho. We can't see you beautiful ladies dance. When I was in England, there's a snack I call you beautiful ladies. Bafuna ukubabona badlala. Siyale. Nilambeni.
Maria says now. It's a process. You could take clear session.
Ngimbonile, ngimbonile. Lapha manje siyaje izibanga phela. Yabona
Bona.
Yenzani. I wanna change my name to Just Billy. Just Rita.
Tell them things Instagram.
Yeah, let's do this. Just Rita. Vuma until yeah, I guess we can cook suggest.
Alright, give my baby such a shitty.
And again, huh? John. Hey! Guys, when this song Ikhala, Kumbula my Ugandan man. Sheva, Yao Sheva, Liluya Tabajwang, Yamatonga, Son de la paz. Salibon is username. Your body is available. Username. I feel it.
Username. Abangaka Thabile.
Nani uyawenza kanjalo? Uhi, D8, D5.
Siyejuse abayithini kubavuma. Manje wayifuna abangasini.
Nami ayifuna abayi2, ifuna i5. Wenza i5 abo ayibani ku Instagram.
Bongani. 1, 2,
4, 5, yeah.
You're fine. Nomthandazo, but you guys,
yeah. I'm dedicating this song to my man. Lekaya. Shela pela sathalegano. awushela phela ufika lokho lesafwa
Nethelo khaya.
shela phela sazane kangcono awushela phela guys i-riverside ifuna gotta go on the outfit girl my outfit get this thing it's a short dress
Manje i-Riverside bebekotele because bebakhideza.
bebabafawoni le mmotsa ke mofawoni atete hey costume yo anisebathe girls abo bani
For sure semathela.
oh abo asanda amamela
Let's all this song.
amamela shela phela sazane kangcono awushela phela shela phela sazane kangcono awushela phela Tommy Cheka kodwa ngeke ngishela imali ukuthi ezimali ama next year mali ngoba uba eating ka McDonald's
Ay ko tipo ka.
guys nache khopela di how guys why uba eating ka so yo guys this one to take care bye guys ngizobona ngibone ne ngifuna ukuyothatha some